Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Now. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. Welcome to episode 3.
Today, we're tackling one of the most common questions. What do you do?
Talking about your job is essential at parties, networking events, everywhere.
So whether you're working, studying, or between jobs, this episode is for you. Let's go.
Let's start with the basics. When someone asks, "What do you do?" how do you answer?
The simplest way is, I'm A, plus your job title. I'm a teacher, or I'm an engineer.
Important. You need that A or an. Don't say I am teacher. Always say I'm a teacher.
The only exception is unique positions. I'm CEO or I'm president. No A needed.
You can also say I work as a, for example, I work as a software developer.
Or I work in, plus the field. I work in marketing, or I work in healthcare.
Sarah, what do you do?
I'm a marketing manager. I work in digital marketing. How about you?
I'm an English teacher. I work in online education.
3 ways to say the same thing, all natural.
Now let's talk about describing your responsibilities. People want to know what you actually do.
Use phrases like I'm responsible for, or my main duties include, or I handle.
Examples: I'm responsible for managing social media, or I handle customer complaints.
You can also say I work with, to show who you interact with. I work with clients, or I work with a design team.
Let me demonstrate. As an English teacher, I'm responsible for creating lessons and teaching online classes. I work with students worldwide and help them improve their speaking skills.
Perfect. As a marketing manager, my main duties include developing strategies and managing social media. I work with a creative team and analyze campaign results.
See, be specific. Don't just say your title, say what you actually do.
Now, describe your company or workplace.
Say I work for, plus the company. I work for Microsoft, or I work for a small startup.
If it's not well known, explain what it does. I work for a company that makes educational software.
Describe the size. It's a large corporation, or it's a small business.
And location, if relevant. I work for a tech company based in San Francisco.
Sarah, tell me about your company.
I work for a digital marketing agency in New York. We're mid-sized with about 50 employees, and we specialize in social media for fashion brands.
Excellent. That's complete and clear.
Here's important. Express how you feel about your job.
People love knowing if you enjoy your work. Say, I love my job because, or I really enjoy what I do.
Or be honest if it's challenging. It's demanding, but rewarding. Or it can be stressful, but I like the pace.
Use phrases like, the best part is, or what I love most is.
I love my job because it's creative and always changing. The best part is seeing our strategies help businesses grow.
I really enjoy teaching because I love helping people achieve goals. It's rewarding when students finally understand something difficult.
Much better than just saying it's fine, right?
What if you're not working or you're a student?
If you're a student, say I'm a student at, or I'm studying computer science.
Between jobs, say I'm currently looking for work, or I'm exploring new opportunities.
You can mention what you did. I recently left my position as a sales manager, and I'm looking for opportunities in tech.
Retired? I'm retired. I used to work in education for 30 years.
Stay-at-home parent? I'm a stay-at-home mom. Or I'm a full-time parent.
Be confident in whatever stage you're in.
Let's practice a complete conversation. We're at a networking event.
Hi, I'm Mark. What do you do?
Hi, Mark. I'm Sarah. I'm a marketing manager at a digital agency in New York. We focus on social media campaigns. What about you?
That sounds interesting. I'm an English teacher. I teach online, working with students worldwide. It's really rewarding.
Oh, fascinating. How long have you been teaching?
About 5 years. I started in classrooms, but switched to online 3 years ago. I love the flexibility. What's the most challenging part of your job?
Keeping up with social media trends. Everything changes so fast. But that's also exciting. Do you enjoy working from home?
I do. The hardest part is the time zones. Some students are in Asia, so I teach at odd hours.
I can imagine. Great meeting you.
You too.
See? We shared details, asked questions, showed genuine interest.
Now a casual version at a party.
So, what do you do?
I teach English online. Lots of video calls with students around the world.
Oh, cool. Sounds interesting or exhausting.
Ha, both. But I love it. Way better than my old office job.
Living the dream. I'm in marketing, social media stuff mostly.
Much more relaxed. Notice the informal language. Stuff. Cool. Way better. Common mistakes. First, being too vague. Don't just say, I work in business. Be specific.
Second, using too much jargon. Keep it simple so everyone understands.
Third, being too modest or too boastful. Find balance.
Instead of, I'm just a receptionist, say, I'm a receptionist, the first person people meet.
And don't forget a or an before your job.
Finally, don't give your entire career history at once. Keep it brief initially.
Quick vocabulary review.
For position, I work as, I work in.
For responsibilities, I'm responsible for. I handle. I deal with.
For workplace, I work for. It's a small, large company. We specialize in.
For feelings, I love. I enjoy. I find it rewarding.
Mix and match these to describe your job.
Let's review. First, use I'm a plus job title. Don't forget the a.
Second, describe responsibilities with I'm responsible for or I handle.
Third, tell about your company, size, industry, what it does.
Fourth, share what you enjoy or find challenging.
Fifth, be specific but not too technical.
And ask questions back. Show interest in others.
Your challenge this week.
Prepare a 30-second answer to what do you do? Include your job, one responsibility, and one thing you enjoy.
Practice out loud, say it to a friend, mirror or record yourself.
Write your job description in the comments. We'll give feedback.
Even students or job seekers, share what you're studying or seeking. It's all practice.
That's episode 3. Thanks for listening to Speak English Now.
Feel confident describing your work now. People are interested. Share proudly.
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Leave a comment about what you do.
Next week, episode 4. How to talk about your daily routine in English.
Super practical with everyday vocabulary you'll use constantly.
Until then, practice describing your job.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah.
Keep speaking English with confidence.